Hello student, how are you all? Again I am back. Today we will do very important topic, that is geometry part. Okay, we will start from basic geometry. Okay, we will start from basic geometry. Most of the students are very confused. Okay, what is point, how point is denoted, what is line segment. इस तरह के जो है ज्योमेट्री पार्ट्स में बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, खास करके क्लास 4 ऑनवर्ड्स से लेकर क्लास 10 तक। तो आज हम आए हैं आपको के लिए ज्योमेट्री के बेसिक थिंग लेकर आए हैं और इसे अच्छा से समझाने का कोशिश करेंगे। ओके, और आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से समझ भी जाएंगे कि आखिर ये सब होता है क्या है ज्योमेट्री में। ठीक है बच्चे, तो स्टार्ट किया जाए। पॉइंट, सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट पॉइंट। पॉइंट होता क्या है वी विल लर्न ओवर हियर। ओके, सपोज यू टेक अ पेन और पेंसिल. ओके, with pen or pencil you put anywhere dot. Okay, that dot denotes a point. Okay, that dot denotes a point. Okay student, now see here, we can say point is a basic unit. Okay, in geometry point is a basic unit. Okay, point is a basic unit of geometry. A point shows the exact location. Okay, a point shows exact location. And one thing we should know, point do not have dimension. Dimension मतलब होते हैं length, breadth and height. Okay, length dimension means length, breadth and height. Point does not have length, breadth and height. Okay, so we can say point do not have dimension. Okay, we can denote point by capital letter of English alphabet. Okay, by capital letter of English alphabet. ठीक है, बचपन से हम लोग वी आर स्टार्टिंग ए बी सी. ओके, तो हम लोग जो है पॉइंट को डिनोट करेंगे कैपिटल लेटर से. ओके, नाउ सी हियर आई एम डिनोटिंग अ पॉइंट. ओके, सी हियर आई एम डिनोटिंग अ पॉइंट. दिस इज अ पॉइंट. दिस पॉइंट we will denote with any English alphabet letter. Okay, suppose I am denoting with X. Okay, see here again, this is also a point, we denote a by A. Okay student, understand what is point. And point, keep in your mind, point do not have dimension. That means point does not have length, breadth and height. Okay, now second is line. We can say line is the collection of points in a plane and extended in both the direction endlessly. Means we can say line does not have end point. Okay, line does not have end point. Okay student, we can say a line is a collection of points in a plane in a plane and extended in both direction. In both direction endlessly. Line has no end point. Line has no end point. Okay, no end point. Okay, now see here, see a dot, point, and here point. Join this point, okay, A and B. Now this line is extended like this, and this side also line is extended, and both side the line is going endlessly. No end point means we can say the line has no end point. It can go extended endlessly. Okay, we can write line A B. This is the sign of line. Okay, student, understand? Now third is line segment. Line segment is a part of line. What we can say, line segment is also a part of line, but in line segment it has starting point and end point. Okay, student, मतलब it has starting point and end point. Okay, it starts from here and end over here, so it has starting point and end point. A line segment is a part of line. It has starting point and end point. Okay, student, now see, suppose this dot and this dot, join these two dot, P Q. So it starts with P and end at Q. Okay, so we can write line segment PQ like this. Okay, understand, student? Now we will do ray. Ray is also a part of line. Okay, ray is also a part of line. Now ray, have you seen the torch? Everyone has seen the torch. Okay, now when you light on the torch, okay, it starts from here, but when it gives light, it is endless. We cannot tell where it ends. Okay, light where it ends we can't see it. Okay, now so we can say ray is also a part of line. It has starting point but no end point. Okay, student, now suppose it starts from here. Okay, it starts from here and it will go like this. Okay, this is a torch. You suppose this is a torch. Okay, it starts from P. Okay, and it will go through Q. Okay, and this ray is endless, we cannot say where it ends. Okay, so we say PQ ray. Okay, ray PQ, ray PQ. Okay, student, understand point, line, line segment, and ray. Easiest way to teach you for the beginners to up to class 10 level. Okay, all the class can understand what is point, now, line, line segment, ray. Okay, understand, student? Okay, student, the basic geometry we have started from for beginners. Okay, for beginners, for class 3 onwards it is basic geometry, and these things we will learn up to class 10th. ओके स्टूडेंट, इसलिए बहुत आसानी वे से समझाया गया है. ठीक है, आप इसे अच्छे से देखें, अच्छे से पॉइंट्स सबको देख ले, क्या क्या दिया गया है, किस तरह से लाइन बनाया गया है, किस तरह से लाइन सेगमेंट बनाया गया है, किस तरह से रे बनाया गया है. दिस ऑल थिंग्स वी हैव टू सी इट प्रॉपरली. ओके स्टूडेंट, इफ़ यू हैव any doubt you can post the comment. Okay, and one thing I want to say you, when I will upload new videos for you all, आप लोगों के लिए ही मैं वीडियो अपलोड कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम योर होम. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो इसे प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. Okay, and see the video properly. Okay, if you have any doubt you can post your comment, you can give your suggestion. Okay, and you are most welcome. Okay student, so if you have anything in your mind you can give your suggestion. Okay student, and you are most welcome. Okay student, thank you.